Let's talk about measuring hip extension and a test that you can do at home. Quite simply, you need a piece of paper, right, a normal size, right, 8.5 by whatever, 11 or whatever the heck the situation is, and some sort of object that is straight. It's about 2.5 feet. If you have a level, that's perfect. So what we'll do here, this is going to finally test that hip flexor range of motion, so the psoas and the iliacus, is you'll get into a half kneeling position. Okay, you'll put that piece of paper right underneath the knee of your back leg. This front leg can be at any angle. It can be here, it can be here. I like to put it more obtuse in the knee in an effort to make things nice and stable. So with this starting position, what you'll do is keeping your shoulders stacked above your hips. It's really important that this stays nice and upright, because if we begin to arch, we're going to get a bad range. If we begin to hinge, we're going to get a bad test as well. So lean forward as much as you can, keeping your shoulders stacked above your hips. You will then find this bony protuberance in the front of your hip, and you'll put the level right in through there. Okay? Note what your sensation is, and look down at the piece of paper. If you can exceed the piece of paper, which is 11 inches, right, what you have is relatively full range of motion. 12 is full technically, so if you have a ruler, that makes things even nicer. But if you're in a pinch, a piece of paper works. Some individuals will only get to here, right? Grab yourself a pen, make a mark, measure it with a measuring tape. Again, this is much, much easier with a ruler, but I'm trying to go for the lowest common denominator. Mostly everybody has a piece of paper at home. If you are short, right, less than the distance of the piece of paper, mark it down, do some flexibility exercises for 4 to 6 weeks, and then test and measure to see if it permanently improves. If it does, great, keep going. If it doesn't, seek professional help. If this causes intense pain, seek professional help. So again, try this at home, see what you guys get. Let me know. Thanks.